Welcome everybody, welcome to another episode of SmackDown vs. Raw Dream Matches 2007 Part 5. This is going to be a very exclusive, this is going to be a match because you got two submission machines. First off, Chris Masters. Wow. Chris Masters going one-on-one with I don't know who. Who is his opponent? Do you remember this guy? I remember this guy. This guy used to be one of the most toughest master locks. But one man broke out of it, and that name is Bobby Lashley. We all knew that Bobby Lashley could do it. He broke out of it. Wow. But Chris Masters used to be one of the most toughest submission wrestlers that I ever seen in my life. Besides Kurt Angle, Brock Lesnar, Undertaker. Who else was a submission machine? Samoa Joe. They put that name out there. But look at this. It's the Olympic gold medalist, Kurt Angle. Bob. Use the out. Use the mouth. Use the mouth. Use the Kurt Angle. Use the Kango. Use the Kango. Use the Kango. Use. I'm just playing. You my dog. Be rocking around like a frog. I don't know, jumping like a frog on a log. Just saying random stuff. Excuse my background, somebody can shut up. Please excuse my hands, Melina. You got a body on you, so please excuse my hands. Oh, please excuse my hands. And here we go. Chris Masters going up against Kurt Angle. Oh, look at Kurt Angle taking out Chris Masters. Oh, but Chris Masters get off of it. Wow. And look at Kurt Angle. Oh, come on. Kurt Angle taking it to Chris Masters. Ooh. Kurt Angle said, I'm not playing around. You thought I was playing around with you, Chris Masters? And look at this. Okay, look at this. Kurt Angle catching live in here early on. Oh. Wow. Shots to the back. And look at Kurt Angle getting out of it. Oh. Here we go. Who's gonna get out of it? Here you go. Kurt Angle. Oh, he got the ankle lock blocked in, but Chris Masters get out of it with a problem out of doubt. Oh, and look at Chris Masters. Ooh. Kurt Angle probably got him where he wants him. Oh. But look at this. Top rope. Oh, ride my pony. That's what she said. Hey, that's what I said. Because I told this girl to ride my pony. She said, okay, baby. She rode my pony. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She rode it all night long. Oh, here we go. It's matches. But look at Kurt Angle for reversal. Chris Matthews for reversal. Ooh. Right into the eyes. Ooh. But look at Chris Matthews taking it to Kurt Angle. I don't know who's going to get the upper hand. Oh. And look at. Oh, my Jesus. You probably went to the wrong direction. Oh, Chris Matthews probably got you where he wants you. Ooh, what a nice maneuver from Chris Matthews. Oh, what is this? Oh, ooh, nope, you're not. Come on, Kurt Angle. Ooh, ooh. Oh, oh, kiss him in his stomach. Oh, but look at Kurt Angle trying to put the match in his way. But look at this, going for the master lock. He might be the king of submission, but look at Kurt Angle. Oh my, and he's hurt. Kurt Angle is hurt. Kurt Angle is hurt, but look at this. But you can't count Kurt Angle out. You just can't. Oh, look at him. Told you. You can't count him out. Just because he look like he's hurt, but you can't count him out. Ooh. Kurt Angle. Oh, here we go. Uh-oh, Chris Matthews might got him. Come on. Oh. And Chris Matthews trying to make him tap. He's trying to make him tap. Ooh, clothesline. What is Chris Matthews gonna do here? Uh-oh, what is he thinking? Oh. It would have been awesome if he just went out of the ring completely. But look what Chris Matthews is doing. Ooh, but misses the elbow drop as he tries to shake it off by recovering his stamina back. And he's going for it again. Ooh, and he connects this time. Wow. It just might be it. It might be what Chris Matthews needed. 1, 2, 3. Well, that was a crappy way to win. From a top turnbuckle? Really? That kind of like Shawn Michaels. Wow. That was a match. I don't know if you're gonna. Wow. Chris Matthews defeats Kurt Angle. Chris Matthews has defeated Kurt Angle. Once again, Chris Matthews has defeated Kurt Angle by a top rope shoulder drop. I'm wondering how in the HE hockey sticks that you win coming from the top rope. It's not cool. But at least he fired his finisher, and I guess the elbow hit where Kurt Angle was badly injured. So Chris Matthews got the win. Top rope diver move. Wow, I see y'all folks. Thank you for tuning in, and have a good day. You know, just say good day, good night, good night, good day, good night, good night, good day, good day, good night, good night, good night. If you smell What's he catch? It's joking about. Get this camera out my face, bro. Get this camera out my face, bro. Get this camera out my face, bro. Actually, out of Chris Max's face. Bro.